Right, good morning everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Welcome back to the channel. Start off by saying if you find any of the information I provide today useful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, or put a comment or question below. I'll always respond to anything you need to know. I also need to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. I do have a financial background, but all of this should be taken as for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research before you invest in anything. You know the drill. So basically, I want to talk about XRP today. And it looks like the lawsuit could be getting closer to getting settled. I know the Ripple SEC lawsuit has been going on for what seems like an eternity. I think it's well over 2 years now. So all of us that have been holding XRP have been like just waiting for something to happen. But I just found this article, XRP lawsuit update. Will XRP win against the SEC with groundbreaking update? It was published today. I'll read from the article. So, the legal dispute between Ripple Labs, the creator of XRP, and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, that's the SEC, has been ongoing since 2020. So yeah, we're over 2 years now. The SEC and Ripple Labs have each filed requests for summary judgment. Numerous business leaders are attempting to participate in the court proceedings in the key litigation between the US, SEC and Ripple, which is becoming increasingly heated. People interested in the Ripple litigation anticipate the summary judgment decisions may take longer than expected. Yeah, this thing's just going to drag on and on. Like everyone's just waiting for this to finish to find out what's going to happen. However, the lawyer for the XRP investors has clarified the situation. This is hideaways. They're trying to pump or shill some new ICO there. I'll ignore that bit. XRP lawyers expect early ruling in XRP court update. So the XRP community anticipates that a decision by the SEC and Ripple's request for summary judgment will be ready by November the 18th, 2022. So what's that? It's like 2 weeks away. But they speculate that it might take considerably longer given the situation. It always does take longer. I'm sure if you've been following this long enough, you know it takes a long time. There's always something going on in the background that slows things down. Anyway, John Deaton, the advisor for Ripple, let me start that bit again. John Deaton, the advisor in the Ripple lawsuit, highlights some significant court dates. Deaton stated that response briefs are due on November the 15th, 2022. The response will be delivered with a seal on it. The public copies, which have been censored, will be available by the 21st of November. So this is all quite, within the next couple of weeks. The XRP coin is gaining momentum as the SEC Ripple legal battles draws close. The investors seem prepared for the bullish trend. Due to the case, the XRP USD pair is trading roughly on the daily chart with adequate support close to 0.4413 and an upward trend line offering support. Furthermore, XRP remains over the 4.5 thanks to the 50-day moving average. So we can go and have a quick look at the chart. If I can go to my XRP chart. I predominantly look at the higher time frame, so I'm looking at the weekly here. We can see that with this around here, was really like the accumulation zone, anywhere around between 30 and 20 cents is where I've been buying the majority of my holdings, and then we found support here, which is around 0.42. But when you look at this here on the MACD, you can see momentum has been switching to positive for the first time since September 21. So over a year and a bit. Let's go to the lower time frames on the daily. You can see it's pumped a bit today. I don't know if that's because of people looking at the news that's been coming out that the settlement may be coming to a close. I'm not sure, but the more people that see that, the more people are likely to pile in. It always astounds me that people will buy on a strong green candle rather than accumulate lower zones. It's just psychology, strange in trading. So if you go down to the 4 hour, you can see that there's been this big bar here, pullback. I can understand why people would buy after a pullback. You've got an inside bar there, so you can buy that and trade up there as a day trade if you want to. But as you can see, it's been hovering between around, let me just draw a square there, just around like that for a long time. Well, this is the 4 hourly, so this is where it's been waiting. It's like sell or buy pressure is going to come in at some point. I would expect. Well, I think everyone's waiting for this court case to finish, to be honest with you. That's what I'm waiting for. But as I said, I trade primarily on the larger time frames. And if you go back to this area in April 21, when it did have that big pump to almost $2. It's just been completely declined. So the chart is quite ugly looking. There's no major divergence on the MACD. So it's just been accumulation for me, and we've broken this trend line. So that's interesting to me, like, which suggests at some point we could be heading back to this 80 cents region, but that's all going to be dependent on the news coming out from the SEC Ripple lawsuit. If I find anything else out, I'll update you as and when I do, but I'll leave it there for now. Just remember, none of that's financial advice. So if you've got any questions, please drop them below. I've got a fairly robust knowledge on Ripple and XRP. I've been invested in it since 2017. So yeah, that's it for now. I wish you all a great day and have a great weekend. Okay, thanks for watching.